Hi my peeps, what's up wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Yes, and guys, this is my original recipe. Leave me a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. All right, let's get into this video. Now we're gonna make some banana carrot bread or banana carrot cake, anyhow you want to call it. All right, and guys, these are 3 medium-sized eggs. Them more look what on the smaller size, so if you have the large, just use 2. And instead of adding other oil, I'm going to use some extra virgin olive oil. Okay, and you need about a cup of carrot and 3 fingers of ripe bananas. Okay, let's get into it. All right, so in my bowl, I'm going to break or peel my 3 bananas. Okay guys, these are like medium size. If you have them big old one, the big one, you can use 2. All right, the banana is so sweet. Oh boy. And I'm gonna mix and mush everything all at once. Okay, so on top of that, I'm gonna go in with half cup of sugar. All right, we're not gonna use much sugar. Okay, I know brown sugar always lumpy and clumpy. That's good. 1/3 cup of extra virgin olive oil. All right, and that will help soften up the sugar lumps them a little bit. Okay. Half teaspoon of mixed essence. Oh, make it 1. That's 1 teaspoon, guys. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. You can just pour it like that. That's it. 1 teaspoon almond extract. All right, my peeps, when you have it like this, all right, we're gonna mush the banana, mush everything together. We're gonna work, okay guys, work at it. All right, something like that. I like to leave a little bit of the banana pieces in it. And we're gonna break our 3 eggs. If you're using the large size egg, just use 2. Let my egg is small like a baby. I'm gonna take my whites out and then I'm gonna come back. Now this is my freshly squeezed lemon juice, and I'm gonna put a little bit, like a teaspoon, and I'm gonna beat this a little bit. And we're gonna pour it in it. Now we're gonna go in with half cup of milk, 2% milk. Can you see the goodness? I'm gonna use my whisk and I'm gonna whisk this together a little bit. I have a 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. We're gonna pour it in it. Half teaspoon salt. Now I have half teaspoon baking soda, 1.5 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon nutmeg, half teaspoon cinnamon. Those are dry ingredients. And we're just gonna sieve this away. I'm gonna mix this in. I'm gonna do it in about 2 portions. And I don't put much sugar, guys, because the banana is already sweet. This is how you want it, okay? All right. Now you need about a cup of carrot, and you're gonna fold it in. And that's it. You don't want to over mix it, okay? Can you see the goodness here, guys? All right, that's it. Now I'm gonna grab my baking or my bread pan or your baking pan, and I'm gonna grease it, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of grease-proof paper in the bottom. All right, and I'm gonna pour it in, and this is gonna bake one, okay? Nice size. Now I'm gonna pop this in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I think this is done. You want to leave it for about an hour or hour and 10 minutes, all right? Because it's a big one, and I think it should be good. I have some guava jam, and I just put it in the microwave and I melt it, and this is a teaspoon, not much. And I'm gonna, while it's still hot, I'm just gonna baste the top. So when it's cool, it will be soft and it won't dry out. You can put honey. I use honey too sometimes. I'm gonna cut this bad boy and show you. Ooh. Oh, look like I don't have no intention to come out there. Oh my. Look how soft it is, guys. Woo. Are you seeing this, guys? Look how soft. All right. Okay, guys, let's cut a piece, okay? My daughter says, I don't know. Oh my gosh, it's super soft. Super soft. Oh my goodness. And this is it, guys. Oh, mamma mia. Wow. Look at it. Can you really see it, guys? Super soft and delicious. I want you to see how soft and moist this is. Can you see that, guys? Can you see the goodness right there? See how soft and nice it is. Woo! Yes. All right, my peeps, this is it. This is my homemade banana carrot bread or carrot banana bread or cake. Anyhow you want to call it. All right. 6 of one, half dozen of the other. All right, my peeps. I just want to taste it for you. Look at that. Can you see it? Can you see that? Can you see it? Tell me if you not see it, you know, guys. Oh, yeah. Oh, my goodness. And, guys, it's just right. It's not sweet, not fresh, just right. Oh, my goodness. Look at that. Oh my goodness. All right, guys, we're gone.